Hey Williamsburg, it's Mr. Murray, and I've got another STEM activity for you to do at your home. I have got some leftover Easter eggs that we're going to use for a STEM challenge today that hopefully you can participate with at your home. And I'll give you some instructions later of how you can do that, but we are going to be testing to see which of these items sink and which of them float. Now, this by itself, if I were to place it in the water, it floats. All these little eggs made of plastic, they float. The question will be, and I'm going to be asking my kids to have a prediction or make a guess, is when we put some of these items inside the egg, are they going to sink or are they going to float? And you can play with us at home, and you can maybe even try to think of your own items that you can try to do at home as well. So our first set of items, we have some wooden beads, some nails, some rocks, some Lego, some kidney beans, and some rice. And we're gonna put those inside of our eggs to see what happens first. So kids, which one are we gonna do first? Which one are we gonna test?
The beads.
The beads. Okay, we're gonna do the beads. So I'm gonna get the water in the middle. And you guys can choose to put an X if you think it's gonna sink, or a check mark if it's gonna float, or Maddie, you can give me a thumbs up if it's gonna float, or a thumbs down if it's gonna sink.
I'm gonna do it.
We're gonna check to see. So we're gonna get the green egg and put some beads inside. I got quite a few. That's quite a lot. I wonder if that is gonna be too heavy. Let's find out. You see all those beads in there?
Yeah.
So, make your prediction. When I put this in the water, is it gonna sink or float? Hannah, X or check mark? Maddie, what do you think?
A float.
Float? William, is it gonna sink or float?
I think it's sink.
Yeah, it's gonna sink. Hannah, what do you think? Show me. Quick, make your prediction. Oh, what is that? Next? Okay, you think it's gonna sink. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. Williamsburg, let's find out. Oh, it still floats. Okay, we got a floater. We're gonna put all the floaters over here, and then we'll find out which one is our sinkers. Next one up, some steel nails. Make your prediction. Sink or float?
Float. I think it's sink. Daddy, I'm gonna do it.
Sink or float, Maddie, you wanna put it in?
Yeah.
You tell me if it's gonna sink or float. Ready?
Float.
You think it's gonna float? Okay, let's see. Put it in.
Yes.
Don't throw it, just put it in.
Yes.
Oh, it's still floating! Wow! Oh no! Oh, the nails sunk to the bottom.
I knew that.
So that's another floater. Wow, these little eggs are really holding these items well. Okay, rocks. William, you want to feel them? They're kind of heavy. What do you think? Sink or float when I put it in there?
I think it's gonna float.
It's still gonna float? Maddie, you think it's gonna sink or float?
No.
Hannah, what do you think? Sink or float? You put? Oh, sink. Okay, let's close it up. Here we go. Ready?
Go.
Oh, there it goes. We got a sinker.
What?
We got a sinker.
It's huge.
Okay, we're gonna leave that one in there, so it's a sinker. Lego.
Oh, I think it's gonna be.
Sink or float, Maddie? Sink or float?
Float.
Float.
I think it's a float. I think it's gonna sink again.
Sink again, Hannah?
Float.
Float. 3, 2, 1.
Knew it.
Knew it. We got another floater. Man, 3 floaters, 1 sinker. Okay, pour some rice into this one. A fair bit of rice.
I already know.
Sink or float?
I think it's gonna sink.
Float again, Hannah?
Float.
Float.
Sink. I think it's a sink.
Sink.
I can do it.
You want to drop it in? You put it in. Put it in.
That's it to me.
Okay, you can put it closer. Go ahead.
I think it's sink.
Oh,
I floated.
it's a floater. Man, we have so many floaters. I'm gonna put all those back in at the end to see how they do. Last one, the kidney beans. Sink or float? Let's hear your guesses.
I already got my guess. I think it's sink. I think it's
Sink.
I want to do this
Oh,
next.
look what happened to our rice. What happened? What happened to the rice one? I don't see.
Sink.
Why do you think that happened? Even at home, you can start thinking, if things are sinking or floating, you're asking yourself, what makes them float, makes them sink? Why did the rice all of a sudden start to sink? I wonder what maybe caused that to happen. We can be thinking about that later. Here we go with the kidney beans.
I'm gonna do that.
Put them in, Maddie. Find out, sink or float.
Float. Yeah.
It floats! Good, I'm gonna put these other ones back in. Our other sinkers, or other floaters. And the nails, which surprised me, because Dad thought that these nails were gonna sink.
I'm gonna do them.
Very good. Hope you had fun with us. Maybe you can choose your own items at home, and you can test to see what sinks and what floats. Oh, the nails are sinking. See ya, Williamsburg.